Hey everyone! Welcome to Tech with Charu, your new favorite place for everything tech. On this channel, we explore the latest AI tools, gadgets, apps, and smart technologies that are changing our world every single day. Whether you want to boost your productivity, learn the best tech hacks, stay updated with future technology, or discover tools that actually make your life easier, you're in the right place. Here, you'll find simple explanations, honest reviews, real demos, and content that saves your time while upgrading your skills. So if you're passionate about tech, or even if you're just starting your tech journey, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Alright, let's get started with today's video. Alright, let's start with the first and most powerful AI tool, ChatGPT. If you've never used it before, think of ChatGPT as your smart digital assistant that can help you with almost anything: writing, ideas, learning, research, and even daily tasks. ChatGPT is amazing because it understands natural language. You don't need to write complex commands. You can talk to it just like you talk to a friend. For example, you can ask, "Explain this in simple words, write a YouTube description. For my video, give me ideas for a school project, help me understand this topic," and within seconds, it gives you clear, structured answers. Students can use it for notes, summaries, homework help, and study explanations. Creators can use it for scripts, titles, captions, and content ideas. Professionals can use it for emails, reports, planning, and brainstorming. One of my favorite features is that ChatGPT can also analyze images or files. You can upload a screenshot, picture, or document and ask it to explain what's inside. This is super useful when you're stuck on something and need quick help. It also works incredibly well for rewriting text, correcting grammar, or turning complex information into simple language. Overall, ChatGPT is the most versatile AI tool you can start using today, whether you're a student, a creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants to get things done faster. So, that's ChatGPT, powerful, easy to use, and a must-have tool in 2025. Up next, we have Google Gemini, one of the most powerful AI tools available today, especially if you use Android or Google services. Gemini is Google's multimodal AI, which means it can understand text, images, files, voice, and even videos all at the same time. This gives it superpowers that make it perfect for everyday tasks, studying, and research. One of the best things about Gemini is how deeply it connects with all your Google apps. You can use it directly inside Gmail, Docs, YouTube, Google Maps, and even your Android phone. So instead of switching apps, Gemini works wherever you already are. Let me give you a few examples of what Gemini can do. You can upload a picture and ask, "Explain what's happening here," or "Turn this handwritten note into a clean document." Students can upload PDFs or notes and say, "Summarize this chapter," or "Explain this formula in simple words." Creators can ask it to write scripts, captions, video ideas, and even full blog posts. Professionals can generate emails, analyze spreadsheets, or research any topic with clear sources. Another amazing feature is that Gemini can generate images, brainstorm ideas, and help explain things visually, which makes learning faster and more fun. So if you're inside the Google ecosystem, Gemini is like having a personal smart assistant that's always ready to help, and it's improving every single week. That's Google Gemini, a powerful AI tool that's perfect for students, creators, and anyone who wants fast, accurate answers in 2025. Now let's move to tool number 3, Canva AI, one of the easiest and most powerful design tools that beginners and professionals both love. If you've ever wanted to create thumbnails, posters, logos, or social media posts without any design skills, Canva AI makes the whole process super simple. The most powerful feature here is Magic Design. You just type what you want, like create a YouTube thumbnail about AI tools. And Canva instantly generates multiple ready-made designs for you. You can pick the one you like and customize it in seconds. There's also Magic Eraser, which lets you remove unwanted objects from a picture with one click, if you have a messy background or something you want to remove from a thumbnail. Magic Eraser cleans it instantly. Canva AI can also help you generate text, rewrite captions, and even create full presentations. If you're a student, you can create project slides in minutes. If you're a content creator, you can make Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, banners, and channel art very easily. One of my favorite features is AI Image Generator. You can type something like futuristic tech background with neon lights, and Canva will create a unique image you can use in your videos or thumbnails. It also has Magic Edit, which allows you to change any part of an image by describing what you want. For example, change this laptop to a gaming laptop, and Canva updates the image for you. So overall, Canva AI is a must-have tool if you create content, run a business, or just want clean, modern designs without spending hours learning Photoshop. That's Canva AI, fast, simple, and extremely powerful for anyone who wants professional designs in 2025. Let's move on to tool number 4, Adobe Firefly, one of the best AI tools for creating high-quality images and graphics. Firefly is perfect for anyone who wants professional, realistic AI art, especially for thumbnails, posters, and social media. Just type what you want, like cyberpunk city at night or futuristic tech background, and Firefly generates stunning images in a few seconds. You can also change colors, styles, lighting, and even remove or add objects using simple text prompts. And the best part? Firefly is built by Adobe, so the results look cleaner and more natural than most AI generators, perfect for creators and designers who want fast, high-quality visuals. Next up is tool number 5, Perplexity AI, one of the smartest AI search engines available right now. Think of it like Google, but faster, clearer, and more accurate. Instead of giving you hundreds of links, Perplexity gives you the exact answer with proper sources in seconds. You can ask it anything: study questions, research topics, tech doubts, summaries, explanations, and it gives clean, trustworthy results. Students love it for notes, creators use it for research, and professionals use it for quick decision-making. If you want fast answers without wasting time scrolling through Google, Perplexity is the perfect tool. Now let's move to tool number 6, ElevenLabs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators in the world. With ElevenLabs, you can turn any text into natural, human-sounding speech in seconds. It's perfect for YouTube videos, storytelling, tutorials, audiobooks, or even dubbing your content into different languages. You can choose from hundreds of voices: male, female, deep, energetic, calm, and they all sound incredibly real. Creators love it because it saves time, improves audio quality, and works perfectly even if you don't want to record your own voice. Now let's talk about tool number 7, Opus Clip, one of the most powerful AI tools for creators who want to grow fast on social media. If you make long videos but also want viral shorts, reels, and TikToks, this tool will save you hours. With Opus Clip, you upload any long video, interviews, tech reviews, tutorials, podcasts, and the AI automatically scans it to find the most engaging moments. Then it turns those moments into viral-style shorts with dynamic zooms, captions, emojis, and perfect pacing. The best part: you don't need editing skills. The AI handles everything: trimming, reframing, formatting, even adding subtitles that boost viewer retention. Opus Clip is the tool many big creators use to multiply their content without extra work. If you want to post more and grow faster, this one is a must-use. Alright, let's wrap up the tools list with our final pick: CapCut, the all-in-one video editor that every beginner and creator should know about. CapCut is completely free, yet it gives you editing features that feel like premium software. You can cut, trim, add transitions, filters, animations, and sound effects with almost zero learning curve. But the real magic is in the AI features: auto captions, noise reduction, background removal, face enhancement, and ready-made templates for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Reels. It's fast, clean, and perfect if you want professional-looking videos without complicated editing. Whether you're creating tech content, vlogs, tutorials, or short-form clips, CapCut is the easiest way to level up your video quality instantly. And the best part is, you don't need to spend anything. And that wraps up today's video. These AI tools are not just cool, they're powerful shortcuts that can help you create content faster, smarter, and at a much higher quality. Whether you're editing, researching, or making voiceovers, there's a tool here that can take your creativity to the next level. If you found even one tool helpful, make sure to hit the like button, because it really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Tech with Charu. This channel is all about smart tech, AI tools, and tips that make your digital life easier. Part 2 with even more powerful AI tools is coming very soon, so keep your notifications on. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.